Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to upgrade the firmware of your Sony ZV E10 Gen 1 camera. I'm gonna show you how to prepare the camera, how to download the upgrade, and how to apply it to the camera. So let's start by showing you how to prepare the camera. The first step is to check the current firmware of the camera to see if it needs upgrading or not. So turn on your camera and then go to menu. Under menu, go to the setup menu, and it is under setup 5. Go down to version and select it. And here you see that the body version is version 2.00. And here we are talking about the upgrade of the body version. And the latest version of the firmware that is available is 2.02. So this camera needs upgrading. So press OK here. And then you need to disconnect the camera from any other source. So if you connected it to your smartphone, you need to disconnect it. So let's go to the connection menu, which is this one here, and go to Smartphone Connect and make sure that Smartphone Connect is off. And now we need to make sure that the USB connection is mass storage. So go back to the Setup menu, and it is under Setup 3. Here, USB connection selected, and select mass storage. And the third thing we need to make sure of is that the camera's battery is more than 3 bars. So this is the case here. Notice that the battery is full. So now let's turn off the camera. We still need to do one thing on the camera. We need to remove the SD card from the camera because the update process will be done using the computer. So let's remove the USB card. And now let's go to the Windows PC to continue the update. The upgrade can be done on a Windows 10 or 11 PC or on a Mac computer. So here, as I said, I have a Windows PC. In any web browser, go to sony.com/support, click on Downloads, click on Cameras and Camcorders, click on Digital Cameras, and choose Interchangeable Lens Cameras. Click on E-mount body type, and then click on ZV E series. You have all the ZV models here. So we have ZV E10, not the Mark II, because this video is for ZV E10 Mark I. Click on it. And notice here that we have the firmware update 2.02. If you're using a Windows computer, choose this one. And if you're using Mac, choose this one. So here I'm using a Windows computer. As I told you, I'm going to click on this one here. And then I'm going to click on download. You need to review the agreement. And if you agree to the agreement, scroll to the bottom and then click on download. And this is the file being downloaded. We need to move it to the desktop as per the recommendations of Sony. So let's click on the downloads arrow here to go to the downloads folder. And now we need to move it to the desktop. So just drag it to the desktop and let's go to the desktop here. And now we need to start the upgrade. And it's important that you do not connect the camera with the USB-C cable of the camera to your PC now and do not turn it on. So you need to start the software first. Let's double click on it to start it. And only after the software starts, we need to connect the camera. So let's go and connect the camera now. Using the USB cable of the camera, connect one end of it to the computer where you downloaded the firmware and connect the other end to the camera. And then turn on the camera. And do not touch the camera during the upgrade and do not turn it off, and make sure that your PC will not go to sleep during the upgrade. So after you connect the camera, go back to your PC and then click on Next. Wait for the program to detect the camera and to fetch the version. So it is analyzing it now. And notice here that the program correctly detected the current version of the camera, 2.00, and the version after the update. Here, all you have to do is click on Next and just wait. And now the update will start automatically. Notice how the software is saying updating. And just wait for it to update now. It will take approximately 10 minutes to finish the update. And while the upgrading is taking place, make sure that you do not use your PC so that you do not disrupt the upgrade. While the upgrade is taking place, I wanted to tell you what are the benefits of this new upgrade for the ZV E10. The first one is that this camera will let you know now when there is a new software update automatically whenever you connect the camera to your computer. The second thing is that it removes the unsecure protocols like WEP and WPA. It keeps WPA2 and WPA3. And the third benefit is it will bring more operational stability to the camera. Now the upgrade finished. Notice how the camera will restart automatically. And let's check the version of the camera now. So we'll need to disconnect the USB-C cable. And this is because we removed the memory card, which is normal. Let's go to the menu. And let's check the version now and choose body. So this is new here also. And notice that the body version is 2.02 now, and the upgrade succeeded. If you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to put them in the comment section. And if you like this video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.